Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable mentions and tags on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three lines icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on notifications. After that, you can see the option of mentions and tags. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable mentions and tags on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.